All right, welcome guys back. This is Emmanuel. I would actually be sharing with you guys free graphic design resources as well as um, free flyer design that you can actually incorporate into or give out to your clients. During this period, there are so many clients that will just come on the 21st, on the 25th. I meant to say on the 25th, they'll just come like straight up. They'll be like, help me run this, run that. So this pack would actually help you to give your client smooth delivery process. Yes, so I've actually done this. So you just have to make little touches to it to your convenience. So and this is the flyer designs. They're actually in an artboard. If you don't know what artboard means, you just scroll down to my channel and you see the explanation of an artboard and how it works, how you can navigate through using an artboard. Then this is also a file for resources. This resources is so packed with backgrounds. You have so many backgrounds here that you can make use of in your design process. So many backgrounds here that you can make use of. This is 2025, 2025. So many Christmas backgrounds. You don't want to miss this. Before we continue, please do well to like, share, and subscribe because I'll be releasing more resources that would help you and benefit you. So please do well to like, subscribe. Gain access to these resources, these Christmas background and Christmas flyer designs, you'd check on the description below. But if you look at intervals of the video, you will actually see, watch closely, you would see a passkey. So this passkey is actually the login details um, to the resources. Yeah, so just input the passkey. They at intervals, you have to at intervals. So after some minutes, after some seconds like that, you have another passkey. So just take your time to watch the video so that you won't um miss out a passkey. Yes, so they're just 6 digits in number. Please just watch through and you will see the passkey. Yes, so you input it into the link below and you have access to the resources. Yeah, so when you receive the resources, when you have access to the resources, just come back to the comment section and say received. Yeah, so that others will know that it's actually valid. Yeah, thank you.